Now it's a turn of a totaling part. First of all, realization account is closed. Okay, this side, come to this side, that is credit side. Find the total. This total of credit side 18,400, 5,600, 10,000. Just find the total of this 79,200. This is the total. And find the total on debit side also. Debit side total is 1,86,000. 1,86,000. Okay. Now you have to find a difference between this minus this. Actually same total is written on both the sides, so I am writing same total on both the sides, and is 79,200 is subtracted. So 186 minus 79, subtract this. Roughly I'll subtract here 1,86,000 minus 79,200. That comes to what? Yes, just check your answer. 1,06,800. Correct? This is your loss. I'll write loss. By loss on realization 106,800. This loss, this is the balance. Most of the times they suffer a loss. That's why the firm is closed, no? Right? So most of the times they will suffer a loss. This 1,06,800 will be divided among these two partners. In which ratio? Equal ratio. So divided by 2. 1,06,800. I'll roughly solve here. 2 loss on realization. 106,800 divided by 2. That comes to what? 2 5 za 3 za, yeah. 5 za 3 za 4 za. So 53,400. Correct? Now find the total of debit side as well as credit side. Now here debit side is greater, right? So Ganesh column, focus only on Ganesh column. Fine. 63,400. Here also 63,400. This minus this total. What is this total? 40 plus 10, 50,000. Correct? 50,000 minus करना है 63 से. So roughly I am solving here 13,400. Okay, that is to be transferred to bank account. This is your balance. Similarly, do for Karthik. Karthik's credit side total is greater. 80 plus 10, that is 90,000. So 90,000, whatever which is greater, that you have to write. Debit is only 53,400 and credit is 90,000. So I'll record this on both the sides. Whichever is greater, record on that side. Okay. Now subtract 90,000 minus 53,400. Roughly again I'll solve here. 90,000 minus 53. Sorry, 53,400. That comes to 6. Yeah. Just check it. 36,600. Okay, this is a balancing amount that I'll record on lesser side. Which is my lesser side? This or this? This was 90. This was less. So I'll record on this side. 36,600. Heading will be to bank. Okay, please write the heading as to bank. Now these are your balances. They are to be transferred on opposite side. Correct? So this is transferred here and this is transferred here. Last step. To write down amount first, 13,400, and then write down name to Ganesh's capital account, and this will be 36,600. That is here 36,600, and then write down heading by Karthik's cap mane capital account. Now find the total, this total as well as this total. Okay, now this plus this 4,000, ये 200 2 plus 4 6, this 0 will come, right? 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 3 plus 9 9. Wait, there is some confusion. 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 3 12, yes. Then 4 plus 1 6, 4 carries 662 600. Let us see this is same or not. This 0 0 6, 4 plus 2 6 plus 6 12. Yes, it has to tally. As I already said, it has to tally, and we have successfully tallied this. Yes, now check your time. Exactly 20 minutes. See, 1 or 2, I think first 5 minutes are got wasted somewhere in my talk, right? So total procedure is 20 minutes. You have to finish that in 20 minutes, as I already told in yesterday's video, right? Which was part 1. This is part 2. Please refer part 1 as well as 2, because half of the part I have explained there and half I have explained here. Okay? Yeah. If you have any doubt, either WhatsApp me or drop a comment. Yes? Please drop a comment related to doubt only. Okay? Yeah. Thank you. Subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and like it. Okay? Ciao. Bye-bye. Take care.